Uh, that, as you can see here, printed. This is also saved, except for this, except for the hashtag. This. The reason why this is not saved is because it has hashtag, and that's a no. This is a integer variable stores whole numbers. Floating point variables stores numbers with a decimal point, such as 3.0. If you wanted to add, you wanted to say, hello, my name is, and then what they put their name as. Wait. Name as, that's only in the system before. Then you print whatever these things are. Quotation mark, hello, comma, my name is, and quotation marks, comma, name with a lowercase n for my actual name, and then plus quotation marks, period. If you don't add the plus, let me just show you. If I don't add the plus, then we should be getting an error. See? Error. Syntax error. Invalid. It is necessary to have a plus. See? It essentially adds the period. Same thing with the age and GPA. This is also more stored information. You can add times. You can even divide and minus. You can do inputs, which makes it so you can put information in. See? Like, blah, 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 blah. Sorry. Sorry, viewers. Yeah. Okay, moving on to the last one. If, elif, and else. If, elif, and else. Oh my gosh, else. Sorry, viewers. Is conditional operators. These operators are used to compare values and return either true or false. The data type is Boolean. Two equal signs equals equal to, which means like 5 equal sign equal to 5 is equal to 5, which is true. Exclamation mark, then equal sign is not equal to. So 5 not equal to 3 is true. And then you can have it ask a question. This sign right here is the sign for greater than. 7 is greater than 10, which is false. This is the sign for less than. 3 is less than 8, which is true. But if you add the more than sign and the equal sign, it makes it greater than or equal to. So 6 is greater than or equal to 6, which is true. The less than plus the equal sign makes it less than or equal to. 9 is less than or equal to 4, which is false. Adding and means both conditions must be true for ... 5 is greater than 2 and 3 is less than 4, which is true. Or means at least one condition is true. Doesn't matter if one of them is false, as long as one of them is true. 5 is greater than 10, or 3 is less than 4, which is true. Adding not reverses the condition. So, not 5 equals 5 would be false. Because 5 does equal 5. So, kind of like not, no, sorry. Adding in would mean the value that is inside something, like A in cat, which would be true. Or if I can find it in my code. Where is it? Where is it? The wide with parent. If it just said minimum height, then it would be this one. But if it says wide with parent, boom. Yeah. Sorry, I'm not in would result in the value is not inside something, as in like C is not in cat, which is true. Line separator. This code, if I can highlight it, there we go. This code stores information. As I put integer, then input, which you viewers would put in, is I put in 64, but it does not print it. It prints this because it's in quotation marks, but does not print this or anything else in that code other than the number that you put in, because it's not in the quotation marks. This is more stored information. Okay, so F. Wait, so print. What was this? F stands for file. It files down your height, and it takes this, which you give in all your imprints. Your height is whatever number you put, inches tall. If, now we have an if then statement. If your height is greater than or equal to the minimum height of 48, it will print amazing. You can ride the coaster. Elf is like if, but if this, oh my gosh, sorry viewers, first time. Right, elf, your height is greater than or equal to minimum height with parent, so it has to be 40 or higher. Then it'll say, excellent, you can ride with a parent when you, and then when you go, it takes your oh my gosh, it takes 48, and then minuses your height, and then says inches you can ride alone. 2 spaces though. Right. Else means for the else function, if you are not, oh my gosh, not between 40 and high, oh my gosh, if you're not 40 or higher inches tall, and you're below 40, like 39, it'll print, sorry, you are not tall enough to ride the coaster when you grow, takes the 40 and minuses your height. when you go that amount inches, you can divide with a parent. When you go takes minimum height, 48, minus your height, inches, you can divide alone. Oop, sorry. So let's say I'm 64 inches tall. It says I can ride the roller coaster. If I say I'm 40, it'll say excellent, you can ride with a parent. When you go 8 inches, you can ride alone. If I am 39 inches tall, it'll say sorry, you're not tall enough to ride the roller coaster. When you grow 1 inches, you can ride with a parent. When you grow 9 inches, you can ride alone. Wait a second. Here are the variables because I didn't do it. Sorry, viewers. I'm backtracking. You can type your name. I'm just gonna type mine. Shadow, moon shadow, age. I'm not be putting that in. My favorite hobby, art. Favorite food. Oh, oh, there we go. Food. Hello, moon shadow. I can see you are blank number years old. I love your favorite hobby of art, but most of all, I love your favorite food of food. In the print function, you can already see there's none. But that's it for today. Thank you for viewing my. No, sorry. Thank you for watching my video. You can check out other videos. Even subscribe if you want. You don't have to. But thank you for your time. Goodbye, and have a oh my gosh, and have a good day or a good night.